Glam Squad, what's up? This is Dalou. Today I am going to show you a few things that I bought recently. Before I get started, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome those of you who are new to the channel. We are glad to have you. Please be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified once we upload a new video. Okay guys, the first thing I am going to show you is these beautiful pillows that I got from Century 21. They are so pretty. I love them. They have the gray and the little sparkling details. I don't know if you guys can see them. They are super pretty. I got 2 of them. They are really nice. All right, the second thing I'm going to show you is this beautiful throw that I got from Homegoods. It's very luxurious. It has the French thing on it. It's super pretty. See that, guys? I think it will go really well with the pillow. The throw was $15. I think it was a good deal for $15. The next thing that I'm gonna show you is this vase. It's a cute vase, very nice vase that I bought from Tuesday morning, and it was $13. As much as I love glam, let me fix that so you guys can see it. As much as I like glam, sometimes I do like having something that has like a subtle glam. It's not all the time I want everything to be shiny, but I think this is very nice and modern. Next, I also got this vase. Yes, this one is from Homegoods. It's very nice as well, very sparkly, very nice. I think this one is a great one for fall as well, or even for the holiday season. You can definitely use that. This one was $17. Next is this mirror that I bought from Burlington. I love this mirror, you guys. It is a statement mirror. It is just so beautiful. I love everything about this mirror, and it was only $100. I plan on hanging it in one of my guest bedrooms or my family room. We'll see. Guys, I'm sorry if I'm a little bit mellow in this video. I'm feeling a little bit under the weather. But question for you, what do you think about the mirror? So yeah, I got 2 candle holders. They are crystals. I love to buy these type of things because they never gonna go out of style. They are very tall and very pretty. I got this crystal candle holder, guys, because I love them. I have this one. You guys may have seen this one a lot. When I saw this one, I've grabbed it so I can pair it together, although they're not the exact same color, but I figured out it would do. So yeah, so from Hobby Lobby, I got these beautiful candles. They're like a copper and silver color. They are great color for fall, but they are all year round as well. I also got this set as well. I had it on one of my videos, but I thought I would show it to you guys again just in case if one of you missed the video, so at least you can see it. It's super pretty. It's really nice. I got this placement. They are from, where are they from again? Tuesday morning. Okay, they were 8 for $9. They have a letter feel to them, and this is the back of them. Really, it's really good. Let me show you why I bought them. So I also bought these napkin rings that goes so well with these placements. They are great colors for fall, so I don't know if I'm gonna do another table escape for fall. Don't ask. So I don't know if I'm gonna do another table escape again for fall, but I think they are good colors for fall. These mugs, I think I got 2 of them. Unfortunately, I was only able to get 2, but I think it is just so nice. I got them from Tuesday morning. I think they were beautiful mugs, either to use or to decor for fall. I think they are just so pretty. They were $4 each. I definitely had to get them, although you cannot put them in the dishwasher. You have to hand wash them. I don't mind because they are just so pretty. I love displaying them in my coffee stationery. I don't drink coffee. My tea area. Then I got these curtains from Homegoods. I really like them. I bought them because I want to change the curtains in my living room. I paid $50 for them, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep them. I feel like I can find better curtains on Amazon for the price, so I'm still thinking whether or not should I keep them or return them. From Century 21, I got this beautiful acrylic curtain rod. Okay, it was on clearance for it was on clearance for $16. I think I ended up paying $5 for it. It's clear and you have the gold on it. It's really nice. And I'm not gonna take it out now, but you guys can see how cute it is. Guys, this item you see me doing the voiceover on, they were not initially recorded with the video. Honestly, I totally forgot about them. This wall art that I am showing is from Burlington. I paid $40 for it. $40 or $50, I don't remember. I really love the color, and of course, you know I love the gold accent. Another wall art that I bought is this frame. It came in a pack of 2 for $20. I really like it. I love the gold, of course. And usually, you know, I'm not too much into black, but I really like the combination of the black, the gold, and the gray. I think it's really pretty. Guys, at the end of the video, please leave a comment to let me know which item was your favorite item. I will tell you mine as well. I will quickly want to show you these 2 lamps. People have some question asking me where did I get it. It is from Tuesday morning. Alright, and it was on clearance I think for $49. And another one that I have a lot of questions as well is this one. It is from Homegoods. I do not have the name or any information for it. You just have to keep checking with your local Homegoods to see if you can find it. As a matter of fact, somebody likes it so much they even call me to ask me information about the lamp, but unfortunately I do not have much. It is from Homegoods and I think it was $50 or $40, I don't remember. This one has been in many of my videos, but I still have questions about it. I wanted to show it to you, and once again letting you know, guys, it is from Homegoods. Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. I thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. I love you so much. Mwah!